Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress plugins on an HTML website. While WordPress plugins are powerful tools, they are fundamentally built to operate within the WordPress content management system. Directly integrating them into a standalone HTML site presents unique challenges. We will explore methods that allow you to leverage the functionality of these plugins, often by separating the WordPress backend from your HTML frontend. This approach enables a flexible and dynamic web experience. The most effective way to utilize WordPress plugins with an HTML site is through a headless WordPress architecture. Here, WordPress serves purely as a backend content management system, handling all your content and plugin functionalities. It exposes this data through its built-in REST API or a GraphQL layer. Your static HTML website then acts as the front end, fetching and displaying this information dynamically. This method provides immense flexibility and power. To implement this, first establish a WordPress installation, perhaps on a subdomain like blog. Your domain.com. Install and configure all your chosen plugins within this WordPress environment. For instance, a contact form plugin would be set up here. Then, on your HTML website, use JavaScript to make API calls to your WordPress backend. This allows you to display dynamic content, like recent blog posts or form submissions, directly on your static pages. It is important to note that not every WordPress plugin will seamlessly integrate into a headless setup. Plugins that heavily rely on WordPress's front-end rendering, like certain page builders, might pose challenges. Focus on plugins that primarily manage data or provide API endpoints. Also, be mindful of security when exposing your WordPress API and consider implementing caching strategies to manage API requests efficiently, ensuring a smooth user experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.